Namaste, good evening, all my friends. Now I am starting some special asana for all child throughout the world. It is very benefited for studious students. Now start Om chanting 3 times. Namaste. Again breathe. Again breathe. For all my child friends, requested to everybody, do it daily in your home due to precaution of coronavirus from the world, and pray to God, Goddess Durga. Start. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Matrirupena Samstita Namatasya Namo Namo. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shaktirupena Samstita Namatasya Namo Namo. Om. Hey Ma Durga, recover to all from this dangerous coronavirus to all throughout the world. Namaste. Now 10 breathe, full breathe, very normally, don't forcefully take, very normally like a sleeping time. 10 breathe, count in your mind, 10, then stop. Now 10 second Bhastrika, cleansing your body due to coronavirus. Precaution like this, take breathe. Stop 1 second. Again. 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 Full breathe. Stay. Full breathe. Full breathe. Full breathe. Full breathe. Full release. Total cleansing process for our body. It is very essential to every child's and all ages, especially this classes for child purpose. Now one asana, relax your both legs like jerk and relax full body. Breathe 2 breath straight. Now Padma asana like this, 1, then Namaste, then another legs on your other thigh. Just 10 count with great respect, breathe in without continue. Okay, both knees touch the floor like this. It is benefited for all child, benefits concentration, total concentration for the child and those who are working in office, and patience, memory increase, nerve के लिए tension reduce, weakness of the body, help of long live, heart and lungs rest in this asana, increase of working power, sciatica recovery, spine in relax, leg nerve is better, and 72 nerve repairs by this asana if you practice daily before reading time. Then in this asana, on sitting Padmasana, always do like just like this, and you will sit on Sukhasana or Padmasana as much as possible. You can on Padmasana, otherwise Sukhasana. Now Yoga Mudra. On Yoga Mudra, like relax your both knees and legs, just straight. Breathe always take, huge breath take. Now one leg bend, then other leg bend, the other thigh, just like this is Padmasana. Full breath, release. Then one left hand up, right hand under the left hand, then full breathe out, then down and full breathe totally close, not take, not reduce, just okay. It is Yoga Mudra for your total benefit of the stomach. Touch the floor, count in mind 10, total breath close. You do 3 times. I am doing only 1 time. 10 seconds. Stay here. Your forehead touch the floor. On it will be do on Padmasana, and total breathe out. Then like this, both hands, left hand under one hand, right hand under the left hand, then total keep on your abdomen like this, then again showing to you like the full breathe out. Breathe stop, Very slowly calm with breathe. It is very best for all, not only child, all ages due to benefit this yoga mudra asana. Very pressure on your abdomen and hip touch, always hip touch, and both nose touch the floor, then down, then close your breathe. 10 count, then up. Then increase, working power increase, constipation, long constipation, those suffering, the stool will come from very easily after daily practicing, and colitis, reduce of belly fat, broad your back, dysentery, acid, gastritis, and best for thigh. After many times practice, long time practice, all stool very easily release from your belly. And now start Bhujanga Asana. Bhujanga Asana, good exercise for upper body. Like this, both lie on your chest, straight both legs totally together, then both hands beside your body, navel is touch the Bhujanga Asana. Count 10, then release, then Savasana, lie on your back, both legs, one hand's gap, both hands beside your body, then 5, breathe very easily, body totally loose, then take 5 breaths. Finish Bhujanga Asana, up normally, then Shasanga Asana. I have some pain in my back, totally not come, my forehead touch the knee. Sit on Vajrasana, one leg under your hip, another leg under your hip, then very normal, take to breathe. Very normally and very easily do. This is Shasanga Asana, like this, down, touch the knee as much as possible, both legs together, both hands together, then stretch, back stretch. (10 seconds to 15 seconds). Now on Savasana, 5 seconds to 10 seconds as per your time in your hands. Then take Savasana 5 to 10 seconds. Total body release, both legs, gap one hands, both hands beside your body, then like Savasana, like stay, then bath, you are not doing, lose total body. Slowly up, very slowly up, then take to breathe. Sasangasana is very benefited for all child and for all ages, but especially this class for child. Fresh blood supply in your brain, fresh blood in your brain, increase your memory, think power will be calm, eyes power will be very strong, then benefit of thyroid, pituitary, increase of work power, broad of backside, shoulder, and benefits for liver, benefits for pancreas, benefits for stomach, reduce of fat on from the belly, and very digestive and flexibility of your spine. It is very special for students. Total video will see and practice by the student with the guided by the parents. Okay, now Ushtra Asana on Padmasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Full breathe. My body is totally released. Then Padmasana. I am already suffering for waist pain. Now I am totally doing. Continue asana. Asana is my heart and my life insurance. Now Ustrasana. If child are able to do it, otherwise not forced to there. It is my special asana. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Release. Then release your both legs. Straight. Total straight. Sit. Then breathe. Okay. Now one asana, Utthita Shirasana. Utthita Shirasana is very best. Benefit of Ustrasana, strong of muscles, strong of muscle of hands, strong of hands, stop of thrilling hands, stop, neck, shoulder, and neck, shoulder very strong, very digestive, leg, both legs and thigh are strong. Now Supta Vajrasana. Now take breathe 5 for relax your full body. There is no difficulty in my body. Now take full breathe. Okay. Side pose. Sit on Vajrasana. Very digestive asana, Vajrasana. Now sit on Vajrasana. Then sit on Vajrasana. Very relaxed. Okay. Breathe in, breathe out. Then Supta Vajrasana on Vajrasana. Now side one side, knee elbow touch the floor, then another side touch the floor by the elbow, then down very slowly. Okay, Supta Vajrasana. Breathe in, breathe out. Very normally, both when doing the Supta Vajrasana, your both knee will be closed. Then very release, we take for your freshness of the body and no difficult in your body. Take breath. All are students, but it is my request to parents, those who are not able to do Supta Vajrasana, don't pressure to their. When do practice Supta Vajra, then take two pillow behind backside of your back, then slowly down, practicing 15 days Supta Vajra ekdam very much easily do. Okay, don't think, do it very easily, no forcefully, no pressure on your total body. It is my request, my all friends. मैं जोर हाथ से सबको बोल रहा हूँ, don't forcefully do it very normally. We are touching with the God in my mind. There is God. I am always recall God when doing my practice and very do it as easily, no strong than Utthita. No. Ustrasana is very, Supta Vajrasana is very useful, benefit and beneficial for your waist pain, thigh muscle strong, increase of chest, broad chest, shoulder muscle benefit, fat less, and many others. Now Uttita Shirasana, it is very useful for our body. Now sit, lie on your asana, both hands under lock, then under your head, then lift your both legs together 30 meters from the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, breathe out. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay. Total benefits of your stomach, total benefit, and neck and spine, and strong your both legs, hernia recover, spondylitis, cervical spondylitis benefits, very digestive asana also, Utthita Shirasana. Now Vajrasana, very best for all, but it is very special for students. Do now Vajrasana, relax your legs, full body relax, breathe take and out, in and out. Now one leg's bend under your hip, knuckle open like this, side, your knuckle like this, not that type, this type, total knuckle open. Now sit on your heel to breathe with great respect. In mind, recall your God. On sleeping time, before sleeping time, after food, at night time, this is all fingers are knife. You will massage root of the hair for your best sleep. All roots massage or root massage on Vajrasana, then release, total 5 to 10 minutes. Night time, after take food, then on your sleeping bed, sit down like as Vajrasana. Release. It is very best for digestive, spine, neck, both thigh, both knees, both ankles. Very digestive asana. Okay. And now Om chanting with great respect. God with me. Very simple asana, Sukhasana. Now 10 Om chanting, this Om sound take in your brain due to total whole your brain. It is very benefited all students, all servicemen and all ages, especially for children when during time like this. Body straight, face down. Namaste all my friends, very good evening. Always try to precaution for coronavirus. Both hands wash with sanitizer and mask will be wear when going outside. And now again, Goddess Durga. Recall, Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Matrirupena Samsthita Namatosai Namatosai Namo Namo Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shaktirupena Samsthita Namatosai Namatosai Namo Namo Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. Om. Namaste to all. Salute to all. Sapanda Yoga ka. Now finish. Good evening.